is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Positivity, love, yo. Oh.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Thank you, sports memes. Talking about going on a ride, and damn, that was a perfect time for that song, right? I wish I bought more. Coming to you live with live technical analysis. We've been on fire. We've been spot on. I know a lot of people have been seeing this. We give a lot of info, a lot of posts, a lot of lives, a lot of shorts. You don't have time. Well, guess what? We keep them as quick as possible. You're getting a lot of information. I don't want to go over it all, but it's up to you. Good morning, Mr. Onmore. Thank you for bringing the shed of light to the crypto space this morning. I really do appreciate you. I miss you, buddy. It's been a long time. So come on over, hit the bell, all notification, become a subscriber. I want to get right into it right now. Chinese, right? The Chinese were banning crypto. We haven't seen prices of Bitcoin this high since when, Mr. Anwar? You've been with us since then. It's called November of 2021. Bitcoin is now seeing these prices. Let's talk about something. We're going to talk a little bit about Chainlink and the crypto market. So let's get to it.
Cryptocurrency market. Now, what's also very interesting here is that China has banned crypto mining and trading since September 2021. However, it does not stop its citizens from trading in cryptocurrency. Many Chinese...
You heard that. Doesn't stop them from trading. They're still going to do it. They're finding the loopholes. They're making it happen. Long story short. But what's really happening? Let's get on with it, right? Chainlink, the burn party. A lot of you may not know, but there is a burn party. And we're going to talk about that right now and why I think that Chainlink is on the verge of a massive explosion and where we're talking about where we could go and if it breaks above the $21,974 price. How I do strongly believe that in the blink of an eye, you will find yourselves looking at Chainlink somewhere crazily. And I'm going to get there in just a second because we've had this morning live talking about it. We can't do the YouTube short video, but it's somewhere around this $35 price. We know that it has gone above to $50. We understand all-time highs are around that price. And what I want to tell you right now is if we break above and finish a daily candle on the 22, Chainlink is going to go parabolic. So what could happen, though, from this time frame is a nasty spill. We could continue to get one. We are getting some indicators that the uptrend is weak. We'll see what happens. We'll continue. This is the daily, but I see nothing but an upward movement. Now, what happens? Well, we came down below the EMA right here, double bottom. We're getting a nice push up, but then we're getting these burn tokens. Let's talk about what we're reading here. Let's get into it because I want people to read. I want people to understand. Hit the like and subscribe. About burn.party. With the rise community-led deflation tokens, many communities have self-organized burn events. But what is Chainlink doing? Well, the burn event uses the community's social networks to organize large groups of token holders. Now listen to this. This is a big deal. No one else does this. The opposite of voluntary send of some of their tokens to a dead wallet address. This will kill the price. This will burn the token. How many fucking people do that? We all get together so we can buy this shit. The other people, big whales, well, they find ways to dump it. It almost feels like this is a big whale coin, in my particular opinion. So the organization is time-consuming, difficult to track, and not on the blockchain or automated. So this is interesting of how they do it. I think that that's a very interesting method, and why I think that you will see a huge kaboom in Cardano when it's ready. So we have to pay close attention. I like to trade on the 15-minute chart. I like to see what's going on here. And you can see every time that we're getting a head and shoulders pattern. I'm hoping that we're getting this inverted coming through. What is coming here, shoulder, head, right shoulder. We'll get the inverted here, and that's where this explosion could come off, and I think that's what's on the way. So we'll see what's happening. We'll keep you up to date as it is falling and getting a little cheaper. You can see here, double top M pattern looking to get rejected. That's what I'm expecting. This right here, you may not see it until I show you here, and then finally, that's what we're looking to do. So we'll get a couple more tests somewhere around here. As you can see, we don't have much of a test here on this chart for Chainlink, but you can see it coming in here. I don't have it. Let me get some indicators out so we can see the parts of the actual candles. You can see now here some support lying over and over May 2021. We're talking about 2021 year of support. So now imagine flipping resistance into support. This thing is going to skyrocket once it breaks above this old. Remember I said that. This may not be fun video to you, may be boring. We're talking about old support in 2021. Right before we went down. Well, this is exactly what's going to happen before we go up. Huge cup and handle. You can see what's happening all the way up into the 2850. So if you do see it, and I do you see what I see? We're over with that, right? I'm sorry, I blew your lungs out, blew your ears out. But look at this. Do you see what I see? I see a nice cup and handle coming in. We're going to go upon the star, way up very far. All right, so there it is. Chainlink looking pretty good. Cup and handle possibly coming back to support there. Wouldn't surprise me. That would be your handle. You can now see the cup. Let's fill it with this morning's coffee, and we'll be off to the races. So you can see what happens once we break above the 2850. Could be the next resistance point, somewhere around $28. So that's actually my improvement. So we do have a couple indicators coming in. Do we get this massive resistance coming in for our handle? That's probably what's going to happen. So be very careful once we break above the 22. It may not go parabolic to 35. Now we're finding out, okay, we could chill right about here. So I'm happy for Chainlink for that. So please pay close attention. Chainlink has been doing diddly squat. I mean, when you look at the charts, right? Let's look at some things here. Let's look at Shiba Inu, right? I was trading the shit out of this last night, making sick dough in crypto. And look at this. Look at this chart. Shiba Inu. And I've been killing it. And that's where most of my money comes from. I'm not going to bullshit you. Just taking sips nowadays. I bet, bro. I remember your big balance in the negative. I would love to fucking see your positive. I know you don't share that information with many people, and you were really cool enough to share with me that you were taking an ass kicking. And you know what, Anwar? You were very, 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 very positive. I mean, literally, your name is exactly what the fuck you were. You were a shed of light. It was a beautiful thing. And you can see this boring sideways action here for Shiba Inu. There's millions of prices up. We were trading it. And if you just hodled, what would that happen? What would that do, right? We talked about these things during the bear market. And I said to you that Jasmine would be one of them. Get your hodl accounts ready. And I have a video of me talking. I'm buying Jasmine during Christmas time. We're doing Christmas music, right? During the holiday season. Wasn't that fucking amazing? And I was like, hi, what's up, guys? It's Christmas time. And I'm like, buy Jasmine. And nobody's really paying attention, but a few of you, right? We talked about it. It was the holiday season. So I do appreciate you guys very much, the ones who do call it out and say it how it is. I would love to go to the video and just talk about it, because could you imagine just sitting there laughing at the video and all I'm doing is sitting here telling you that I bought Jasmine at 0.004, what was it, 0.00499. I'm going to get to it. I'm almost there, so please hang tight. It may actually be fun. It may actually be a fun, interesting video to get at. Got engaged because of crypto, partially because of Jasmine. I mean, crypto's been nothing but a breath of fresh air for some of us that bought the dip. A lot of you guys didn't believe in buying the dip, right? A lot of us said it's a scam. Crypto's a scam. No, just because some of you got scammed doesn't mean crypto is a scam. Maybe you're an idiot. Maybe you are uneducated. maybe you need to go get some education. Maybe you need to learn how to dollar cost average into something. We're talking about 36,000 Bitcoin. It's a fucking joke here at this point. But I am looking for the Jasmy. I'm buying. I'm talking about it. I get excited. We made a lot of money this season on NFL parlays. We do that during the season if you're interested. Jasmy coin. Talked about buying it at 0.00495. Going to be a nice Christmas, Mr. Jay Creek said, and then he went to Aspen and sold most of his Jasmy. I'm not bringing out people's business. I'm just telling the truth, right? This is what we do on the channel. I love fucking that guy. He's awesome, Jay Creek. Bitcoin, I challenged you in October to buy it at 27,000. I freaked out in October. We're going so far back that the video is gone for the Jasmy price, which is exciting because it was somewhere over here. But long story short, I have the video telling you to buy it at 27K. Anybody want to talk about a different asset? Who wants to talk about a different asset? I'm waiting for someone. Yeah, look at Jasmy, Mark. Whew. That shit blew my mind. We had somebody wanted to take a look at something. Who wants to look at a crypto asset? If I have it on my ticker. If I don't have it, I can't do it. But if I have it on my ticker, I'm just going through some of the days, looking through some of the shit right now, having fun on the live. So this could be boring for you, but I'm just going through the ticker. We were talking about Jasmy. This is XRP. I was going to say, we have a bunch of Jasmy. I'm so pissed off. Maybe I got to do that next time. I'll go find the Jasmy video. We'll talk about it. But as we're sitting here waiting, hit the like button. And if you have a crypto asset right now, there it is. Finally did it. Finally found
Wall
it.
Street, Pete.
There it is.
I just bought Jasmy, the Japanese Bitcoin, at 0.00499. Let's go. If you pay close attention, we got a cup and handle coming. Now, there's a bicycle also coming on the daily. And if you see this cup and handle, there's over a 100% gain on your money. Not financial advice, but if you pay attention, cup and handles. Before you know it, we'll be trading 1 cent.
Really? Before I know it. That guy's crazy. I don't believe in that bullshit. It happened. Hit the like and subscribe if you've just been watching. But I wanted to get to the Jasmy video because I thought it was very important. 9 fucking likes. What else is new? I had to like one. There's 3 of mine.
I just bought Jasmy.
Probably two people that I don't know liked that video. So Wall Street, Pete Sick doing crypto. We have some great calls. We have a double top here for Cardano. Maybe we start falling here. I don't know what's going on, but I do see a double top M pattern. Look at this is what I trade on. I make a lot of money on this shit. This is exactly how you do it. You see the M pattern. You got to get into the exponential moving average. You see support coming in. Cardano's going to get a little bit of a splash. I'd probably trade the EMA. You can see it hit to the bottom of the EMA. Look what happened on this 15-minute. 15-minute, this Cardano trade came and bounced off the EMA. I do shit like that. I'll short it all the way down to the EMA. Then when it comes up to here, it turns back green. Then we sell. We get to a certain point. But this looks like a double rejected M. Pay close attention. I do hope that it bounces off. It should. We're getting major resistance, as you can see, coming in, but this will be volatile. So cryptocurrency is very volatile. Jasmy, we talked about many things. Imagine buying at the price of 0.004995. And these prices are right before they lift off. I mean, we can only do so many calls perfectly in a row. I mean, even this morning, right? Let's talk about this morning, what I say. This morning, a few things. I said Ethereum, pay attention, right? It's trading 37.36. I said the next leg is still coming up. Be very careful. I expect another leg up, and then it just started going up. So I don't know where we're at now, but there it is. The next leg is skyrocketing through what I said. So this Ethereum long that I have right now, currently in an Ethereum long, I don't know if anyone knows that. Someone said if you want more viewers, maybe show what you do. Right now, currently, I have $201. I went to sleep. Put an order in to buy at certain levels around the 350 something level. Order filled. Right now I have $201, and it was trading at that price 3772. We're trading 3783, which is a lot more money. So what's happening is we're almost in 300 profit, probably 280, 270. These are longs that you can do. Take the close button, do a percentage, and dollar cost average out. I would recommend you do so. Wish I can get these videos a little more fun. Total crypto market cap is 2.54 total crypto market cap. Solana's just going to explode before you know it. I didn't know that Solana was going to sit here at the 130. That was a new price for us. Last time it was 140. I'm really surprised to see this. So, hey, we're wrong. We'll tell you what we were wrong about. We'll tell you what we're correct about. But 143, I'm really surprised about it. Look at Dogecoin just continuing to go up 19 cents. Is that resistance around the 19.5? That's interesting. Shiba and Inu, that's pretty cool. Looking at that 4,300. And I bought it at, oh, wow. And sold out last night, 550% profit. Did you sell on that dip? Did you sell on the Shiba Inu dip, Mr. Anthony? I love your name, by the way. I do. Mr. Mark Anthony. If you pay attention to the 4-hourly, last night I was in this fucking trade. I just want to be honest. I want to tell you what happened. I lost $200 last night. I kept longing Shiba Inu right here. I'm not kidding. I kept fucking longing. And I'm like, and I was going very small. I was going very small into it. I was just trying to dollar cost average. And I kept getting fucking liquidated. And the app, the platform wouldn't let me out. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? What the hell is going on right now? You can see what's going on. It was manipulation to the downside. My orders couldn't fill. I was smashing the button. I got out of orders 15 different times. None of them would fucking confirm or get out. It was insane. If you were trading at this time last night at 1 in the morning or 12 midnight at Eastern time, you don't know what the pain I was going through. That was fucking wild. So there was a massive $3 billion purchase in Shiba Inu. So your little $3 billion worth or something like that. I forget what it was. I didn't look it up, but I heard about it. And look how it came all the way down here. These numbers were sick. I got my $100 back, so to speak, and some change. So on the way back up, Shiba Inu, as it was doing this, I was selling back out on my long. Because finally I figured it out, right? I noticed that there was support here, dead serious. This is what I noticed. And I went, oh shit. I went to the 4-hourly time frame. I couldn't see why it was. Do you see this? I mean, some people think, nah, that this didn't happen. Oh no. Oh, hell yeah. I felt like the Kool-Aid guy, right? The guy comes through and breaks his wall, the commercial, and it should be a commercial. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. You better fix that wall before my dad comes home and whoops your ass. So you can see what happened here. 54% fall. I want to say that happened in about 5-10 minutes. This is while we were sleeping. So some of you have no fucking clue what even happened. You woke up and you're here now. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. 105% since then. So if I bought down there, I actually did have prices at this level like an idiot. I sold up here somewhere. Why? Because it was so volatile. I was shitting my pants. I'm just being honest. So in a trading on leverage, Shiba Inu has made a lot of money for me. A lot of people they're wondering, what do you mean? What do you mean Shiba Inu? You're in that Ethereum trade. Here's my P&L up almost $1,000. I have $1,000 in the last 7 days trading on MEX. So if you're interested in trading on MEX, use my code. It's 1ZE as in Eric, R as in rabbit, O as in octopus. So I do show it a lot, many times right here. So if you're interested, go to MEX. And I'm sorry, here it is. It's 1Z as in zebra, E as in Eric, O as in OG, and literally G as in gangsta. So O as in octopus, though. It's not a 0. So if you want to trade, there is the QR code for it. We get referral fees. We get to trade, obviously, on transactions. You'll get some fee rewards if you keep doing this and you build a team and referral team. So you can see the date, you can see how real it is. Paul Street Pete, real as steel. Come on in, check out MEX, download it if you're able to use the app. Please trade on leverage. It's only for experienced traders. If you're going to do it, do 7 times leverage, 3 times leverage. Learn how it works. Put $50, $100 to do Ethereum on some of these moves when they're going up and down if you know the trends, or if you're watching the show. But long story short, this is what we've been doing every day. So hit the like and subscribe. Become a member today. We're talking about these sort of things, keeping you up to date. Cardano adds $2 billion. Pretty exciting. $2 billion in the last 24 hours, 42% volume surge. So things like this you must pay attention to. What are you going to do when Cardano's trading $12? And I say that's happening from 10 to $12. So what are you going to buy then at 10, $12? It's going to be too fucking late. You guys need to start hitting the like button. You need to start paying attention definitely to mention. You can see what's going on here on the 4-hourly. This is very bullish. What I think is going to happen. Anybody in Shiba Inu? Mark Anthony. You want to know what's going to happen? I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm a G. And finally figuring all this shit out like to 100% to my knowledge. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. All right. Here, this is what's going to happen. This 4-hourly candle with a lot of volatility is going to finish all the way up here. You're going to get a double top pattern. It's going to start coming down here, and you're going to shit your pants. And everybody who is all the way up here is going to be smart, most likely, because they're going to sell out here. You're going to get your double top M pattern, and that is going to be what's happening. You're going to get a lot of volatility to the downside. You thought it was downside before. You're going to get a lot more, because when people buy cryptocurrency, and it does days and days that look like this, you're going to get a few of them that look red. It's going to look like Christmas. So nothing goes up forever. My name is Wall Street P. Sigdo in crypto. I'll put the chain link in the beginning, and I will let you know that there is a Shiba Inu move, but I would be very, very careful. Why? Because we've seen this pattern 50 5 million fucking times. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the pattern you will most likely see. Lots of volatility coming in, and that's about where we are right here. So in that pattern, you still have this to come. So if you pay attention, definitely to mention, my name is Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. Used to actually work on Wall Street. We didn't lick the fucking walls off the paint off the walls. No, we actually worked on Wall Street. So anybody want to know who I am? My name is Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. Been doing this for a while now, and I do appreciate you very much. Come on over. If you do find this, though, please, if found, please drop in the nearest mailbox. Postmaster return postage guaranteed. Just a joke. But come visit where I used to work at. Check it out. New York Mercantile Exchange. And we used to work here. I miss this place very much. The address, if you want to check it out, is the Van Gogh Museum in New York. It's 1 North End Avenue, World Financial Center, New York City, 10282-1101. And that's where we used to work. And this is why we do videos every single day. So please, I would appreciate it. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my castle. This is Benny the Bull. And we talked about these days, how we were in the bear market, and Benny would be excited. And Benny's just chilling. He's not hanging. It's nothing negative. Benny's very excited to be here. Wally the whale in the back. We have Wally in the Wally. We're going to be one of the whales. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what this. I almost sound like Kermit the Frog there. Did you hear that? I need water. Talking for so long. I don't know what more to say. Can Jasmine get back to 35 cents? It's probably hard to do. Pete, you're going to miss out. Oh my God. What am I going to miss out on? We're dollar cost averaging in, and we're dollar cost averaging out. That's how it works. So you need to learn how to dollar cost average into an asset and dollar cost average out. It's one of the most important things. It's the only way to leverage trade. It's the only way to spot trade. It's the only way to trade. That is my point. So, ladies and gentlemen, you got to watch the moves. I'm very, very risky. I trade on leverage. So those moves I'll be doing on leverage. I have a HODL account where they just stay. I just accumulate more. So there's different types of ways to trade. You could spot trade. You can sit there, buy, have a HODL account. I do them all. And then you can go into a leverage account, Bybit, MEX is one of the ones I use. Then you go to Coinbase or Binance or wherever you want to go and do the other thing. So my name is Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. Mark Anthony, I don't know what exactly you're talking about. I'm going to miss out. I'm not missing out on anything. I'm one of the happiest people in the world right now. I'm showing you one trading platform. Could you imagine what the rest of my gains are in all my HODL accounts that I've been doing for the last 2-3 years? Just buy the dip. So I really don't want to show all that. That's nobody's business. Then I'll be having 10 people trying to hack my shit. Reason why I don't show it on the computer live. There's a reason why I do that. There is nothing on my computer. You can't get access because I don't hold anything on my computer, and that is why we do that. One of the smartest YouTubers as far as a cryptocurrency holder and trader. I keep desperate measures. I have a nano ledger. You keep your Bitcoin on nano, your Ethereum on your nano ledger, and it's a cold wallet. I mean, I don't have to worry about it. So do things like that. Protect yourself. Don't talk about people. Don't talk about, I forget what I was just going to say on that one. But don't worry. That's what I was going to say. A lot of people talk about scams. They don't listen to the bullshit. The people who talk about the scams are like Jamie Dimon. Jamie Dimon. Bitcoin is horrible. It's fucking useless. I would never. The son of a bitch behind your back is buying Bitcoin out the wazoo. And guess what's happening? He's getting rich. And you know what's going to happen? All these MFers are going to dump it together. And all you people are going to go, what the fuck's happening? I wish Wall Street Pete would do a video. We only talked about the same shit over and over and over and over what was going to happen. I can only do so many videos, so we're trying to keep it very minute and very short and sweet. This is a longer version this morning. I hope you enjoyed some of the content. I hope you understand a little bit of who I am now. I used to work on Wall Street. If you were newer to the channel, we got a lot of new followers. We actually traded in the commodities pit of natural gas. I had heated unleaded across the way. We had cotton, coffee that people traded upstairs. We're talking about commodities now, commodities trading on Wall Street, New York. So this is where I'm from. I had many, many people that I missed there. I wish I could speak to them. We lost contact. I don't do Facebook no more. Everything's fucking scam on Facebook. I got rid of Facebook. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's a great day to be alive in crypto. We've been saying that for a couple of years now. And we're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah.